Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if mobile data is slow on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, you will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so reinsert SIM. Remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, again insert SIM. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart devices. Click and hold side power button and volume up button at that time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.